Hi, I'm Sterling. This is Jalisco Home, and I'm in part two, so I'm not going to reintroduce myself. In this video, I'm continuing my investment example of buying a typical higher grade condo style house in a typical middle class development, such as the one where I live here in Guadalajara, Mexico. And as I said in part one, it's smart to buy when the dollar's strong and sell when the peso's strong. And what better time is there than now when the dollar is at an all-time high in strength with respect to the Mexican peso? So let's go ahead with a hypothetical example of purchasing this house, which is known as the Porto, if you want to see what it looks like in one of my other videos. And it has a present offering price of 1,465,000 pesos. At today's rate of 24 pesos to the dollar, this means that to buy this house, you need to transfer 61,041 US dollars out of your US account. Now, when the peso eventually strengthens again to a value that brings that rate closer to 20 to 1, which would reflect a dollar that's just a little bit slightly weaker than now, but stronger than it was before the present economic crisis, then we could realize a nice profit from liquidating the house. We need it to be drop from 24 to 1 down to 20 to 1. So that's how I'm going to base this example. We're going to be confident that this is going to happen within about a year because we already see it. It's on the curve is going that direction already. It's a reasonable assumption. It also makes the calculations easy. And realize, of course, that we can only speculate about currency exchange rates based on history. And that's what I'm doing in this example. As the peso strengthens and the dollar weakens, these things happen together relatively. As this happens, the exchange rate is going to drop down to about 20 pesos per dollar. And then selling the house at that point would yield, just divide 1,465,000 by 20, that would yield 73,157 US dollars. Now that's a potential increase of about 12,000 US dollars. 73,157 minus the purchase price, 61,041. But do you know what else is happening at the same time? Over the year you've had this house, the house has been increasing in value on the Mexican market. And houses like this have been increasing reliably in value at 8 to 10% per year. So let's say 8%. That raises the sale price next year to 1,582,200 pesos. In dollars, just divide by our predicted exchange rate of 20 to 1 at the time that you sell, and you get a dollar value of 79,100 US dollars. That's looking better already, because remember, you bought this house for $61,041 when the dollar was stronger. So you just gained a hypothetical $18,069 by purchasing with a strong dollar and by selling with a strong peso 1 year later. But wait, there's more to this analysis. You're going to make more money. You're not going to live in this house. You're going to rent it out. So you can, at the present time, right now, you can expect to get about 8,500 pesos per month from this house. That's 102,000 pesos per year. And again, then divide that by the future rate of 20 to 1, and that means you'd collect $5,100 in rent. I'm going to be realistic and subtract out of that management fees, maintenance, property tax, none of which are super significant in Mexico. But that is going to modify that number to somewhere like 4,000 US dollars net in rent per year. So let's take that 4,000, add it to the 18,069 that we estimated from profits realized by the exchange difference and the difference in the valuation of the house. And it means we have a value gain in 12 months predicted at about 4,000 plus 18,000, $22,069 for a house we purchased for $61,000. That represents better than a 36% return on investment in just 1 year. Now, in another video with a less expensive house and the same kind of analogies, I predicted something a little higher, around the 50% return on investment in 1 year with confidence. And I think the difference has to do with the amount you can get for rent. With the more expensive house is not that much proportionally higher. But can you get 35 to 60% return on investment on any other investment right now? I really doubt it. If you would like to talk about this more, contact me. Once more, my name's Sterling. You can call me directly on my cell at 521-33-2154-1547. You can either speak to me by voice, you can leave a voice message, you can leave a WhatsApp text message, you can leave a WhatsApp voice message, or you can contact me on Messenger via the Facebook group I have, which is also called Jalisco Home. And please take the time, if this is good material for you, to like this video and to hit the subscribe button, because I strive to bring you new information, new material all the time that can help you take maximum advantage of the fact that you can use a US-based dollar income to your advantage in Mexico. And it's a fact that's good not only for you, it's also good for the Mexican economy. So I hope I'll see you in the next video. Maybe even I'll see you here in Guadalajara in the future. Bye.